Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I will show you how you can install tempered glass on the smartphone. So at first we have to prepare a good source of light, because we have to see a very mess that we have on our display. As you can see here, I have a lot of fingerprints and other mess, so we have to remove it. So when you got good light conditions, you have to move to your box with tempered glass, and let's open it just like that. Inside we can find for sure tempered glass and also two wipes. Here we have the wet and the dry, and we are going to use the first this one. And if you want to get the same protector, we will put the link to the product in the description of this video. So let's start for the wet wipe. Open it like that. And this one is wet really, but sometimes they comes dry. So if it happened to you, you have to use something like window cleaner and just apply it like that on the wipe, and then just clean your screen. You can make moves in the circle. Remember to reach a very corner, the very edge. And as you can see right now, it looks definitely better. Move for the dry one. And make the same moves. Okay, and as you can see, my display is still wet, so I'm going to use additional wipe. You can use also the paper towel or something like that, and just clean with this wipe. Okay, right now it's definitely better, so let's go back to the dry one. Okay, and right now our display is in very nice condition, so we can start with applying tempered glass. So just grab your tempered glass like that, and we have to take off this sticker just like that, and it will follow with that foil, as you can see. But sometimes only sticker comes out, so we have to put your fingernail underneath this foil right here and remove it manually. In my case it's fine, but if you get it, just don't worry about that. Take a look on your display, be sure there is nothing on it, like piece of the dust or any other mess, and then keep holding the bottom part and put your tempered glass for upper section of your display, and still keep holding the bottom part. And I think right now it's in a good position, so I will probably put the bottom part right now. Or maybe I will move it a little bit to the right. Okay, right now you can put the bottom part, and as you can see it goes almost automatically. You don't even have to press here. And as you can see, glass is applied. If you got fingerprints on the tempered glass, you can remove it by using wipe. And let's try to turn on our device. And let's see, is everything fine with touch interaction? I think that will be no any problem with sensitivity of our display, but let's check it. Of course, clean your mess after apply. Okay, and as you can see right now, the device is activated and we can easily work with our device. There is no any problem with the touch interaction, as you can see. So that's all. That's how you can apply tempered glass on your OPPO Reno4 Z 5G. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.